In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a site on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to tidy up your dashboard, remove an old project, or simply start fresh, knowing how to efficiently delete a site can be quite useful. So let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace account dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage all of your Squarespace sites. You can access it by logging into the Squarespace website or by clicking the link on your browser. Once you've successfully logged in, you should see a list of all the sites you have created under your account. Now, from the list of sites, it's time to choose the one you wish to delete. Next to the site's name, you will notice a symbol made up of 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. This is a common icon used across many platforms, indicating that there are additional actions or settings available. Click on these 3 dots to proceed. A small menu will appear with several different options you can perform on your site. From this menu, look for the option that directly shows Delete and click on it. It's important to exercise caution here. Once a site is deleted, it cannot be reversed. Deleting a site is a permanent action, so ensure you have backed up any important information or content you don't want to lose. Additionally, make sure you're about selecting the correct site by double-checking the name and details. After you have clicked Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the site. This is your last line of defense against accidentally deleting something important. Double-check everything, and if you're absolutely certain that you wish to proceed, go ahead and click on the confirmation button to finalize the deletion. By following these instructions, you should have successfully deleted your unwanted site from Squarespace. The site will no longer appear in your dashboard, and you will have more room to manage your active projects. This process can be applied anytime you need to remove sites from the platform. Remember to always make informed decisions when it comes to deleting sites, as it is irreversible and permanent. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. For further Squarespace tutorials, tips, and tricks, make sure to check out our other videos. Happy creating and managing your online spaces effectively.